Zoomgu customized 65-inch touchscreen elevator vending machine. Support multiple payment methods, such as banknotes, coins, and credit card payments. Whole machine foam insulation. Imported compressor to ensure good cooling effect. Elevator system to ensure stable delivery. Automatic pickup door with attractive light. The pickup port is at the bottom right for the convenience of customers. Camera monitoring, automatic lock, can open and close the door on the touch screen. Can download something on machine. 4 charging ports to charge customer's phone.